Discover is the new centralized hub to explore and learn all things crypto. It is designed to help users dive deeper into the topics that excite them the most. As a part of Core Web, it houses information about the Avalanche ecosystem all under one view. This is a one-stop shop for exploring and gaining knowledge about crypto in a streamlined and user-friendly way. Once you've navigated to Discover in Core Web, the first thing that you're going to want to do is connect your wallet, which you can do in the upper right-hand corner. Make sure that you've downloaded the Core extension and installed it. Once you've done that, you can use that to easily access Core Web. The Core extension can be downloaded in the Google Chrome store. Once you've connected, you can navigate to Discover on the left-hand side. This will give you an overview where you can discover Avalanche by browsing projects. Otherwise, you can see specific project categories, featured projects, subnets, and news related to the Avalanche ecosystem. If you click into Browse Projects, you get a bunch of different sections that you can click into where you can learn more about that specific area. For instance, if I click into Gaming, I can get information about the DOS chain subnet, Shrapnel, and other related Avalanche projects. If you wanted to go into Culture, you can get into JPEGs or Campfire and learn more about those projects that are also built on Avalanche. If you'd like to submit your own project, you can click My Projects in the upper right-hand corner and then click Submit a Project. Here you'll be able to add a cover image as well as a profile image, the name of the project highlights, as well as a summary, additional contract information pertaining to the specific project, as well as all of your links here. In the tag section, you can select all the appropriate tags that define your project. You'll be able to pick 4 maximum, and please select the ones that are most applicable to your project. This will present a card preview in the right-hand corner, and you can select a main color as well. Once you've inputted all that information, you can submit the project. Once it's been submitted and approved, it will show up in Core Discover here. There's a couple different sections in Core Discover that I would encourage you to check out. The education section, where you can learn more about the Avalanche ecosystem, all of the different products that are built on Avalanche, as well as a quick start guide. This will get you hyperlinks to our support documents, developer documents, and video library as well. To learn more about Avalanche events that are happening soon, you can click into this section. You can click into the news section, where you can learn more about articles that have been shared highlighting different projects. For instance, the Hyper SDK, Loco, or even the Dexalot subnet. If you have any additional questions about Core Discover, how to submit a project or update a project, please reach out to support.avox.network and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.